Well, guys, today it's Emily. Today I'll be making my banana split OC. Her name's Emily. She's Bingo's sister. But she hates Bingo. She really hates Bingo. So she killed Bingo because he was stupid anyways. And Emily, it's time for dinner. Get out, old lady! Jesus Christ! And now, back to the video. Okay, so she's 19394949494949494949. Oh my God, sis, get out of my room! Emily! Yo. Go back and do something else. How am I gonna do it? Fine, such a brat. Okay, anyways, sorry about my annoying sister. Her name's Don't say my real name, Emily. Fine. Okay, her account's Wolf _ Wolf. Quote, Winter Wolf. And, what? I said stop. Don't say my real name, didn't I? No, don't say it. Can I please just say it one time? No. Fine. Okay, quote. She doesn't like Bingo because he's an annoying person. He's so annoying that even Legal don't like her. Even Legal don't like her. So she had a crush on Snorky. She doesn't like wolves because she feels wolves. She hates. What's that African golden wolf's name again? Alpha. She hates Alpha because she's really weird and disgusting. So she killed Alpha and Emily, you better remove using smudge. What are you doing to Bingo? None of your business. Dang. Business. So, yeah. This is my banana split OC. She has cute eyes. Cute eyes. And I'm not tracing. And don't you dare say I'm tracing. Emily, I literally see you're tracing Bingo. Get out! What did I tell you? My God, what's wrong with Fine, Emily, but don't go crying. Don't come crying to me Don't come crying to me, Emily, if your mom starts yelling at you. Or yelling at your sister. Get out of here. Oh my God. She has a pink hat since she's the chosen one. She has a pink hat since she's the chosen one. She has a pink hat since the chosen one. Stop it, sis! Stop mocking me and get out! That was the fine, Emily. That was the 5th time I told her. Let's actually get rid of this. Wait a minute. The back one. The back one. What? don't tell my sister, but I'm using her phone for this. For this. I'm using her home phone for this. Yeah. She didn't want a banana split half because she thought it was for poor people. So Fleagle denied it. Fleagle would hate her. Oh, she also hates Rosie. Don't hate my old friend, Emily. Oh, shut up! She's in my room. Okay, I'm getting Mom. No, please don't get Mom. Oh my God! That my screen. Jesus Christ. Okay, so guys, I don't know what that was, but let's just continue with my OC. She's a princess, half princess, half. Okay, so Emily is what? Backstage. 6,000 years old. Actually, Emily is 6,000. And she's dating Snorky. She's a princess. Her place is a castle. And I gave her a tail, a mouse tail, and some pretty shining eyes. Oh, and maybe a dress. Probably gonna be a dress. Probably gonna be a dress. She's gonna be stealing all the boys. She definitely will steal all the boys. Will steal all the boys. Well, quote, she's not actually dating Snorky. She's actually dating Carl. Dating Carl. The fact. I don't care if you don't like it. Ew, one of those ugly shoes. Give me new beautiful ones. New beautiful ones. Give me new beautiful ones. Are you literally making fun of people? If you don't have any type of shoes, you're poor. 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 Bingo's probably so poor. Okay, guys, so this is how I'm gonna give you the speed paint. Oh my God, I love that. Ew, Emily! I tooted. Ew, Emily! Out of here. Let me show you the speed paint. Look how beautiful that is. Look how stunning that is. Okay, so guys, this is my OC. I hope you like her. And oh, wait a minute, Emily, is that my phone? Uh-oh. Emily! Uh-oh. Okay, guys, and bye. Emily, you better get back.